Hey everybody, BigRigSteve here with BigRigTravels.com. We got in the mail this foldable neck fan. As we just said, it's foldable. Check that out. It comes with its own little bag so that you can keep it safe, secure, keep dirt out of it. Foldable neck fan. Unfold it there. First off, let's talk about some controls. It's got a 5200 milliamp battery. All you have to do is plug in your USB-C there. Simple two button control. You got the on button. Now, this on button, that's low, that's medium, that's high. Do that. Top one. Only 2 fans will work, which is these 2 fans on the bottom. Push it again. All 4 fans are working. And of course, you turn it again. So you got 3 speeds on this thing. First off, let's talk about here is an air inlet. Another air inlet here. Here, you've got air inlets. And here, you have air inlets. So it's going to pull the air from everywhere. Here you have your bottom fans, and here you have the top fans, which is going to blow on your neck. So when you put this on, to put it so that the fan is going to blow on you and your neck. Now see these? You could turn these. So if you wanted to blow more on the side of your face, you can. If you want to blow more on your neck, you can tilt it that way. And then just remember your buttons are right here. And I tell you what, this thing puts out a lot of air movement. That's low, medium, high. And of course, it gets the back of your neck through here, which feels really good. Tell you what, you could use this while you're working in the garden, sitting out on the back porch, anywhere that you might need a little bit of extra air blowing right on your face, help keep that sweat off. I like this. This really is a cool item. 5200 milliamp battery. I haven't yet to find out how long this will last. I turn it on and let it sit on the counter, on high speed, and it ran for more than 6 hours. And of course, if you have it on low, it's going to run even longer. It takes about 2.5 hours to charge it up from being completely dead to being fully charged. That's not bad. Charge it overnight or whatever. If you're hiking, this is awesome. I mean, and it's really lightweight. I don't have a scale. I don't know how heavy it is, but you never know it's there. Literally, it's probably the weight of my hat. It just feels like nothing's there. So if you're looking for a way to keep cool this summer or this spring, might want to check this out. Links will be down below in the description. Foldable, really nice. Say you want the neck, but you don't want it on the sides here. Fine, remember this control here. This will do 2 fans or 4 fans. So between low, medium, and high, 2 fans and 4 fans, you really have a lot of control over this. Check it out. Links are down below. BigRigSteve out.